Before I got my motorbike, I did not know it is possible to get financing for your motorbike. That is just a fancy way of saying you can be able to get a loan to buy your motorbike. In this video, we are going to discuss and see, is it worth it to finance your motorbike? We will do the maths and I'll give you my 2 cents and you can make your decision. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Sterling Bikers, where we have serious fun. Serious because we need to take care of our safety. You wouldn't see me riding just like this without a helmet and other protective gears. And secondly, we also need to have some fun. It is quite a lot of fun riding a motorbike. Wouldn't you agree? And also we need to put in some education stuff, and that is what we are doing today. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so that you can get to know each and every time we release another video. If you go for financing, we will go with a very basic bike. Assuming that you want to buy a bike which is about 120,000. I want to mention that we have a quite wide range of prices when it comes to motorbike, depending with the brand, with the CCs and all those stuff. But we are doing the maths with a very simple bike, which is 125cc or 150cc, and it is going for about 120,000. We have options where you can finance it and repay for about 12 months, 18 months or 24 months. Let's work with 18 months. So you will need 15,000 to do your deposit. Then thereafter, we are using 18 months. Then you will be paying daily 350 shillings. So this is how the maths works out. So your deposit is 15,000, 18 months times 30 days would be 540 days. If you're paying 350 daily times 540 days, you will get 189,000, and considering the M-Pesa charges of about 27 bob each and every day, that is 27 times 540 gives you 14,580, and that totals up to 218,580 approximately. So is it worth it to go out there and pay an extra 100,000 for your motorbike? If you're using your motorbike for business, for a boda business or for delivery, I would say it is way worth it, because the only thing you need as capital to start with would only be 15,000, and for the rest of the time, about 18 months, you will be repaying the loan, and at the end of it all, you will have an asset. And remember, you're not only making 350 per day. I'm assuming even if we double that, and that is on the lower side, you're making 700. You will be taking home 350 for 1 year and a half. And at the end of it all, you have gotten yourself an asset, which is the motorbike. You have a source of income that is now giving you 700 shillings per day, and you have a business that is running. On the flip side, if you're buying the motorbike for your own personal commute or private means, I wouldn't advise you to get a motorbike on financing. Save the money, then buy it. Because if you get financing, it will cost you more, and the motorbike is not generating some income for you. So you're just putting in more money to fuel, to repair, and all that stuff, and you're not making any money out of it. So here's my 2 cents. If you're using it for commercial purposes, go ahead and get a motorbike on financing options. We have several institutions, the likes of Watu Credit, there's Mogo Credit, hashtag not sponsored. And if you want it for your personal reasons, save and get your bike. Also, take a look at this video on what you need to know before you buy your first motorbike. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell button. And until my next video, I'm out.